Porcelain stoneware tiles are characterized particularly by their hardness and their very high resistance to chemicals. Depending on the requirements for the appearance and slip resistance, porcelain stoneware tiles are either available with smooth or structured surfaces. These can be untreated, polished, or ceramically modified. Porcelain stoneware tiles without ceramic surface treatment feature a microporous surface, which requires special cleaning. Due to the microporous surface, very fine dirt particles and lime can deposit easily, which will lead to a graying of the tile surface. A number of characteristics must be observed during the daily routine cleaning in order to prevent this. A warning sign with the notice "slippery when wet" must be set up during the cleaning and the drying phase. Initially, the loose dirt must be removed dry by means of dust-binding wiping using suitable microfiber mops or non-woven mops. Subsequently, adhering soiling is removed using a two-step wet mopping method, utilizing a surfactant-free cleaner based on complexing agents. The dosing information provided by the manufacturer must be observed during the preparation of the cleaning solution. Tip: dosing aids, for example a dosing ball, help when preparing the cleaning solution. During the first work step, the cleaning solution is applied to the flooring so that adhering soiling is loosened or softened. For this, a clean velour-style microfiber mop cover is immersed in the cleaning solution and lightly pressed on. Finally, looping and slightly overlapping mopping movements are performed. For ergonomic and economic reasons, flat mop holders with a 40 cm working width and an adjustable handle should be used. The handle length should be approximately shoulder height. When the mop cover stops releasing liquid, after about 15 to 20 square meters, the mop cover is rinsed in the dirty water bucket and then thoroughly squeezed out. The loosened dirt is taken up in the second step. To do this, the rinsed mop cover is immersed into the cleaning solution once again and thoroughly wrung out. In case of highly polished porcelain stoneware tiles, it may be necessary to dry the mopped floor covering with a dry mop in order to achieve a streak-free cleaning result. Depending on the water hardness, an acidic surfactant-free cleaner should be used at certain intervals in order to avoid the buildup of lime residue.